the Rubik's Cubes and our life. Number 2, the Rubik's Cube's first layer, aligning white corners, symbolize alignment of action with purpose in our life. What it means, harmonizing initial effort with purpose. Completing this layer symbolize initial achievement and establishing confidence. Life lesson. Every piece matters. Collaboration and integration lead to progress. Celebrate small wins. They are the foundation of long-term success. Once the base is set, the next step is solving the white corners. Each move connect with the bigger picture. It's about alignment. This is the phase of small wins, the habit and decision that build momentum. It's about doing the right things consistently, even if progress feels slow. It's learning to trust the process.